How to set a default signature per email account in Outlook. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Outlook, then click on File at the top left corner of your screen. In File, you will find this kind of screen pop up. Click on Settings. After you click on Settings, on the left side, click on Accounts. In Accounts, you'll find Signatures. Click on Signatures. Then add a new signature and then press on Save. After you do that, signature will be created and will be added. And you can switch to other accounts and create different signatures in this way. This is how to set a default signature per email account in Outlook. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.